Solid-state drives, SSD, and hard disk drives, HDD, are two different types of storage devices that have their own advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of the major differences between SSD and HDD technology. HDDs use spinning disks to store data while SSDs use flash memory chips. This difference in technology means that SSDs can access data faster than HDDs. SSDs are significantly faster than HDDs in terms of both read and write speeds. SSDs can transfer data at a rate of 500 megabytes per second to 1 gigabyte per second, while HDDs transfer data at a rate of 50 megabytes per second to 150 megabytes per second. SSDs are more durable than HDDs. HDDs have moving parts that can wear out over time, while SSDs have no moving parts, making them more resistant to physical shock and damage. HDDs offer higher storage capacities than SSDs, while SSDs can offer lower storage as compared to HDDs, which can offer up to 16 terabytes of storage in today's market. SSDs are generally more expensive than HDDs. The cost per gigabyte of storage for an SSD is significantly higher than that of an HDD. SSDs consume less power than HDDs. As a result, laptops and other mobile devices that use SSDs have longer battery life. HDDs make noise due to the spinning disks and moving parts, while SSDs are completely silent. SSDs have a limited number of write cycles, which means that they have a shorter lifespan than HDDs. However, modern SSDs can last for several years with normal usage. Major pros and cons. Pros of SSDs. 1. Faster performance. SSDs have faster read and write speeds compared to HDDs, resulting in faster boot times, application launch times, and file transfer speeds. 2. Durability. SSDs have no moving parts, which makes them less prone to damage from shock or vibration. 3. Energy efficiency. SSDs consume less power than HDDs, resulting in longer battery life for laptops and lower electricity bills for desktop computers. 4. Quiet operation. SSDs make no noise since there are no moving parts. Cons of SSDs. 1. Higher cost. SSDs are more expensive than HDDs, especially for larger capacities. 2. Limited lifespan. SSDs have a limited number of read-write cycles, which means they can wear out over time. 2. However, modern SSDs have significantly improved durability and longevity. 3. Limited storage capacity. SSDs are available in smaller capacities compared to HDDs, especially when it comes to cost-effective options. Pros of HDDs. 1. Cost-effective. HDDs are generally more affordable than SSDs, especially for larger storage capacities. 2. High storage capacity. HDDs are available in much larger capacities compared to SSDs at the same price point. 3. Longevity. HDDs can last for several years without wearing out, and their lifespan can be extended by defragmentation and other maintenance techniques. Cons of HDDs. 1. Slower performance. HDDs have slower read and write speeds compared to SSDs, which can result in longer boot times, application launch times, and file transfer speeds. 2. Vulnerability to physical damage. HDDs have moving parts, making them more susceptible to damage from shock or vibration. 3. Noisier operation. HDDs make a slight noise when spinning, which may be noticeable in quiet environments. In summary, SSDs are faster, more durable, and energy efficient, but come at a higher cost and have limited storage capacity. HDDs are cost-effective, offer high storage capacity and longevity, but have slower performance and are more susceptible to physical damage. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on the user's priorities and needs.